Hello and welcome to Law Stories Academy. Today we are going to understand and learn all about songwriting. So, what is songwriting? Songwriting is a process where musician professionally composes musical compositions and writes the lyrics for the song. Basically, a songwriter is a person who writes the lyrics of the song and makes the melody of the music. So, is it important to learn music theory for songwriting? No, but learning music theory will help you a lot in songwriting. Even basic music theory or the ability to play an instrument will speed up the process by 10 times. So, here in this module, we will be learning to write lyrics of the song and compose a basic melody. As we have covered how to compose and make functional harmony in music theory course, you can go ahead and check out that module for a better perception of composing or making your own music. So let's begin the journey of learning songwriting. I'll see you guys in the next session.